In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to practice using the demo company feature in Xero, which is a fantastic tool for getting familiar with this accounting software without affecting your actual business data. Xero's demo company provides a risk-free environment where you can explore different functionalities and see how everything operates without any real-world consequences. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Xero website. You'll see an option to log in, just click on that. You'll need to enter your email and password that you use for Xero. Of course, it's crucial to keep this information secure. Make sure you're entering it on a trusted device and network. Once you've entered your credentials, simply hit the login button and you'll be directed to your Xero dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice your company's name at the top. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. Among the options, look for Demo Company. If it's not activated yet, there's no need to worry. You can activate it by navigating to the My Xero tab found in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Now, if the demo company is not readily accessible, you can try activating it by hitting the Try the Demo Company option that you'll find there. This demo setup is specifically designed to demonstrate how the platform works, with data that imitates real-world business scenarios. The demo company account has several distinct tabs to explore, including a demo business tab, an accounting tab, and a contacts tab. Each of these is filled with sample data, allowing you to experiment with the features and understand the software's operation better. As you navigate through these various tabs, feel free to explore the functionalities and see how different actions are performed within the software. It's a great way to build your confidence in using Xero and becoming more familiar with its interface and features. However, bear in mind that the demo account has its limitations. It's designed to showcase Xero's core functionalities, so while it's excellent for practice, some advanced features or custom settings may not be available. Nonetheless, it allows you to conduct basic operations and get a solid grasp of the platform. So, take some time to practice within the demo company, experiment with its features, and remember that it's completely safe to make mistakes here. This is an invaluable opportunity to learn by trial and error without any risk. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find this feature helpful as you get more comfortable with Xero.